How to make high-quality YouTube videos with your phone. Welcome back to Sam's Shop Zone. I'm Mr. Sam, and today we're talking about something a lot of aspiring YouTubers are interested in, how to make high-quality YouTube videos using just your phone. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss out on future content. If you know someone who's also starting a YouTube channel, share this video with them, and as always, drop any questions or tips you have in the comments below. Let's jump in and show you how to make professional-looking videos using only your smartphone. Number 1. Choose the right settings on your phone. First things first, let's talk about your phone's camera settings. Many smartphones these days come with excellent cameras that can shoot in HD or even 4K resolution. To make sure you're capturing the best possible footage, follow these tips. Set the resolution, go to your camera settings and make sure you're shooting in at least 1080p HD. If your phone allows, shoot in 4K for even crisper video quality. Frame rate, choose between 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. If you want smoother motion, like in action shots, 60 frames per second is a good choice. For most talking head videos, 30 frames per second will do just fine. Stabilization, some phones have built-in video stabilization. Make sure it's turned on to reduce shaky footage, especially if you're filming handheld. These simple adjustments can instantly improve your video quality. Number 2, lighting is everything. Even the best camera can't make up for poor lighting. The good news? You don't need expensive studio lights to make your videos look professional. Natural light, the easiest and most affordable lighting source, is the sun. Try to film near a window during the day. The soft, even light from a window can make your video look great. Just make sure the light is facing you, not behind you, to avoid shadows. Ring light, if you often film indoors or at night, consider investing in a ring light. It's affordable and provides even lighting, making your face look clear and bright. Look for adjustable options so you can control the intensity. DIY lighting, no ring light? No problem. You can use desk lamps or LED lights to create a similar effect. Just make sure the lights are positioned to illuminate you from the front and avoid harsh shadows. Number 3, stabilize your shots. No one likes watching shaky footage. It's distracting and unprofessional, but the good news is that you can easily stabilize your shots with just a few tools. Tripod, a basic tripod for your phone is a must-have for keeping your shots steady. There are plenty of affordable options online that come with phone holders. If you're filming at different angles, consider a tripod with flexible legs. Handheld gimbal, if you plan to film while moving around, a gimbal is a great investment. It keeps your phone stable and eliminates shakiness, allowing you to capture smooth, cinematic footage. DIY stabilization, in a pinch, you can lean your phone against something sturdy, like a stack of books or a wall. The goal is to keep your phone as still as possible to maintain high-quality footage. Part 4, record good audio quality, ***. While video quality is important, audio quality is just as crucial, if not more so. Viewers are more likely to click away if they can't hear you clearly. Fortunately, you can improve your audio even when recording on a phone. External microphone, if your budget allows, invest in a small lavalier, lapel, microphone that can connect directly to your phone. These mics provide clear, professional sound without breaking the bank. Brands like Rode and Movo offer great options for beginners. Phone's built-in mic, if you don't have an external mic, your phone's mic can still work well, just make sure you're filming in a quiet place with minimal background noise. Speak clearly and position yourself close enough to the phone to ensure clear sound. Avoid wind and echo, if you're filming outside, try to block the wind with your hand or film in a sheltered location. Indoors, avoid echoey spaces by adding soft items like blankets or pillows around the room to absorb excess sound. Part 5, editing on your phone. Once you've recorded your video, the next step is editing. You can do this right on your phone using user-friendly editing apps. InShot and KineMaster are popular free options that allow you to trim clips, add text, transitions, music, and even color correct your footage. They offer intuitive tools that are perfect for beginners. iMovie, iOS, or Adobe Premiere Rush, Android iOS, are also great if you want more advanced features like adjusting audio levels or adding multiple layers of video. When editing, keep it simple. Focus on cutting out unnecessary parts, adding music where appropriate, and making sure your video flows smoothly from start to finish. Part 6: Thumbnails and Titles for Maximum Clicks. Your thumbnail and title are just as important as the video itself. They are the first thing viewers see, so you want to make sure they are eye-catching. Thumbnails: you don't need fancy software to create a professional-looking thumbnail. Apps like Canva or Pixlr offer free tools to design custom thumbnails using text, images, and filters. Make sure your thumbnail includes a clear, high-quality image and bold text that grabs attention. Titles: your title should be clear, concise, and use keywords that viewers are likely to search for. Avoid clickbait, but make sure your title sparks curiosity. For example, instead of how to film on your phone, you might use pro tips for filming high-quality videos on your phone. These two elements are crucial for getting more clicks and boosting your video's performance. And that's it. With just your smartphone, a few affordable tools, and some smart techniques, you can make high-quality YouTube videos that look and sound professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your go-to tip for filming on your phone? Let me know below. Thanks for watching Sam's Shop Zone. I'm Mr. Sam, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy filming and keep pushing your creativity forward.